Hey everybody, this is Sinclair Hill back with another update to the Grey Knight. I had just installed my RPI rear spoiler. It's a one-piece unit. No longer do it has the gaps that the stock spoiler has for the SS Camaros. Here, all the downforce will be pushing down. I like the way it contours to the body lines. I love the way it looks. It fits the Camaro very, very well. In the back is very nasty. I like the way it gives the illusion that it's a little wider than what it seems. So therefore, I really like it. This is the RPI Design. The only thing I dislike about this is the install. I wasn't a big fan, but I did it anyway. I had to install 3 extra holes in my deck lid. I'm not a big fan of it. And if you get it wrong, you're jacked up. And you might have to get the RS spoiler to cover all the holes. But my fitment came out good. I love it. There's no gaps. And I just like the way it looks. It's a good looking piece. I kept it satin black to match the wheels of the Grey Knight. And I probably will keep this on for about 2 years because eventually I will be going with a carbon fiber deck, and I will be going with a carbon fiber hood to help shave weight off the Grey Knight, because just like me and my TV, Mr. D, we do track racing. That's what we're about. We take our cars to the track. Motor Fire, I believe he's going to start taking his car to the track. So check out their YouTube channels, me and my TV, Mr. D, and also Motor Fire. So check out those guys' videos. They have some good videos. And once again, I love the RPR design. I'm just not a big fan of drilling holes in my rear deck, which I did, but it came out real good. So until next time, I'll be talking to everybody later. May you enjoy your day, your weekend, and peace, love, happiness. God bless. See everybody real soon.